Hey Redhawks, welcome back to MHS News. I'm Kwilose.
And I'm Grace Tresch. This is MHS News for Wednesday, November 8th.
Topping our news today, our fall play, The Miracle Workers, debuting tomorrow night. The play takes place in the Red Hawk Theater tomorrow, Friday and Saturday at 7:30. Tickets are available at the door.
She's gonna get mad. Look at her trying to talk. Hey, you stop now. You just sit quiet and now you let me have those scissors.
Showing Doug Martha's eyes out. Almost.
The story follows Annie Sullivan as her struggle to teach the blind and deaf Helen Keller. Good luck to all of our actors and all students contributing to The Miracle Worker.
Come out to support the Redhawks on Thursday at 6 at the Red and White Stadium. The Marist varsity football team will take on Notre Dame Niles High School in the Prep Bowl for what will be a great rivalry game in the ESCC.
Tonight, prospective junior high students and their families are now invited to tour our new Sportsplex and meet our program advisors. The doors will open around 6:30 tonight and will close at 8. No pre-registration is required. The Marist Sportsplex is located at 121st and Ridgeland in Palos Heights.
The second Girls Kairos for senior girls is taking place off campus this week. The girls left yesterday afternoon and return on Friday. Please pray for the girls and their successful weekend.
This week is the first competition for our JV and varsity Poms team. We had a chance to talk to the assistant coach and get a preview.
I'm Coach Rademacher.
How do you think Poms is going to do this weekend at their very first competition of the year?
I think the girls are going to do amazing. First competition, everybody's always nervous, so I know that they have a little bit of jitters, but we still have 2 more practices. We're in a really good place. We just have some cleaning to do. We have 2 different pieces, and I think both of them are going to do really well.
What kind of pieces are you doing this year?
We have a jazz piece and we have a contemporary piece.
They sound very lovely. How many other schools are you competing at?
Oh, you mean how many more competitions or how many schools are at this competition?
Like how many schools are at the competition?
I don't actually know that answer. I know it's quite a few, because it's JV as well as varsity, so it's a whole day.
That's fun. How do you think you're going to do?
I think they're going to do well. We're excited to get the feedback from the judges, kind of get the jitters out for the first competition so that future competitions they can be more confident.
Thank you.
Yep.
There's multiple different schools competing here. It'll be at Andrews High School. We wish good luck to all the girls.
Over the weekend, Abby McClory and Mary Stokas competed in cross-country state, and they set their press records, so congratulations to the girls.
Shadows Days continue here at Marist. Veterans Day is coming up, which means we have some elementary schools off this Friday. We will be seeing more than 100 6th through 8th grade students in the hallways. Our Marist family hopes all the Shadows will love Marist, and we consider them as our future high school.
Speaking of our Shadows, the entrance exam is coming up for the class of 2028. The entrance exam will be on December 2nd, and 8th grade students who wish to continue their education at Marist are all welcome.
Now let's head over to Philip Bartolini to update us on sports.
In sports today, boys basketball tryouts are wrapped up and the rosters are set. Congratulations to everyone who made the basketball teams, and we hope you have a great season. As we said in the news, the Prep Bowl game begins tomorrow at 6 here at home. The Marist hockey season has started and the Redhawks are off to a strong start. The freshman team is coming off a 7-2 big win, while varsity is playing Bennett Academy at 3:20 on Saturday. The swimming team is competing in the IHSA state finals this Saturday at 1 at Westmont. That's all for sports. Now here's Marisa Rosner with the weather.
Over the next couple of days, it's going to be a mixture of good and bad. Today, we're going to have a cloudy day with a high of 61. Tonight, cloudy will drop down to a low of 51. Tomorrow is a sunny day with a high of 55 and a low of 42 overnight. Friday, lots of sunshine with a high of 50 and a low of 37 overnight. That's all we have for weather today. Now back to the desk.
Will you be going to the play over the next couple of days?
I think I will. How about you?
Yeah, I'll be there on Friday. Well, that's all we have for you today, Redhawks. I'm Kwilose.
And I'm Grace Tresch. Fly high, Redhawks.